Traders, welcome back. Today we are looking at APR Coin for the second time, and there's a lot happening in this market. In our previous analysis, we highlighted a resistance level that has been respected multiple times. Every time price approached this level, it faced a strong rejection, signaling that sellers were in control and confirming that the market was in a clear downtrend. Looking at the bigger picture, APR Coin has been forming a clean series of higher lows and higher highs, which confirms the continuation of the downtrend structure. Previously, I mentioned that if price returned to this resistance level around 0.33 and formed a bearish candlestick, that would be our signal to sell. Conversely, if price failed to respect it and broke above, we would wait for a retest to look for a buy opportunity. As it stands, price didn't return to that initial resistance level and instead continued moving downwards, confirming that sellers are currently dominating the market. Now let's talk about what is happening. Zooming in on the key zones, we notice that we have a new support level has been broken and flipped back into resistance. Originally, this level acted as a floor for price, but after being broken, it became a ceiling. Whenever price approaches this flipped level, it tends to experience a strong rejection, making it our critical level to watch for potential trade entries. Here's what we are monitoring closely on APR Coin. If the price comes back to this new resistance level around 0.25 and forms a bearish candlestick, that becomes our confirmation to enter a sell trade, riding the continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if the price does not respect this level and instead breaks above it, that signals potential buyer control, and in that case, we wait for a retest of the broken level. If the retest then forms a bullish candlestick, we can consider a buy entry from there to the upside. Levels that flip between support and resistance reveal the ongoing battle between buyers and sellers. A level that has been tested multiple times and rejected. Price clearly shows the strength of sellers, while a break above indicates that buyers may be starting to assert control. Observing how price reacts around these zones allows us to make disciplined and high probability trade decisions. In summary, APR Coin remains in a downtrend, forming a clear series of higher lows and higher highs. The resistance level that has been respected multiple times, along with the recently flipped support to resistance level around 0.25, is our key zone to watch. If price returns and respects it, we sell. If it breaks it, we wait for the retest and look for a buy. Traders, the key question now is, will sellers continue to defend this resistance, or will buyers step in and flip the market? Alright traders, this is all we have on APR Coin today. Until then, stay sharp, trade safely, and I'll see you all in the next analysis.